Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can add a photo to a resume in Canva. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser and search for canva.com. Sign into your account using your login credentials. Once you are signed in, you will be directed to the Canva homepage. Next, open the resume on which you want to add a photo. Now, to add your photo, look for the Uploads tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on Uploads and then click on the purple Upload Files button. Choose the photo you want to add from your device and upload it to Canva. Once the photo is uploaded, it will appear in the Upload section. Click on the photo and drag it to the location on your resume where you want it to appear. Adjust the size and position of the photo as needed. To give your photo a more polished look, you can add a frame. To do this, go to the Elements tab on the left-hand side menu. Here, search for Frames and click on See All to view all the available frames. Browse through the frames and choose the one you prefer. Click on the frame to add it to your resume and click and drag your uploaded photo into the frame. This will automatically fit your photo into the frame, giving it a neat and professional appearance. So that's basically how you can add a photo to a resume in Canva. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.